Hi friends, I am Tanvi Kanade. I am very happy for becoming a part of ST. It has been only 2 months and I am noticing a good amount of progress in my overall studies. Entire staff of ST is very supportive, helpful and friendly with us. Every batch has a batch coordinator who always gives us updates regarding institutes and conducts our daily and weekly tests which helps us to improve our performance. Harshad sir always motivates us to perform our best and to achieve better grades. In case of theory subjects, both the teachers, that is Harsh sir and Devendra sir, always used to give us examples which helps us to understand the concept in better way. Initially, the lectures were online. At that time, the lectures were recorded. Now, the lectures are conducted offline with full of precautions. In offline lectures, there is study with too much of fun. In offline lectures, we get more knowledge apart from studies which will help us in our future. I am thankful for becoming a part of